Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shakira if you're new here. Today I'm going to be doing a spring kind of soft glam look. I'm super excited. I haven't done a makeup video in so long. I have to just kind of put some makeup on right now. But if you are new here, please feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another video. But without further ado, let's get into the makeup. Usually I do start with the eyes first, but I'm going to do things a little differently today, and I'm going to be doing it last, and let's see if that makes any difference to my makeup routine. I'm going to be using a mattifying foundation, and because I'm using the mattifying foundation and I have dry skin, I just want to make sure that the foundation isn't going to dry out my skin. I do sometimes like that mattifying look, but if you have dry skin, you kind of have to overcompensate with the skincare and that first step to make sure that your skin doesn't feel like dry sandpaper. So I have already washed and moisturized my face, but shameless plug, I'm going to be using my beauty oil. Now this oil is from my brand called Your Glow. This oil, it leaves your skin glowing. I use it morning and night. Some people who I know that use it, they just use it at the night time, but it's completely up to you. It, you know, helps to reduce pigmentation. It helps with the texture of your skin. It just leaves your skin feeling so moisturized and hydrated. I'm not just saying it. But if you want to find out anything more about the oil and my brand, I'm gonna leave all of the information below, and maybe I'll have a discount code just for my YouTube subscribers. I pretty much started the brand last year when, you know, we're in the middle of the pandemic, and I'm not gonna lie, I personally love a lot of high-end skincare brands, but due to just before the pandemic, I actually got made redundant, and sis couldn't be spending that £60 on an oil anymore, and I have such sensitive skin, so that's another thing as well. It's perfect for sensitive skin. It's perfect really for all skin types, but if you do have sensitive skin, you will benefit so much from this. I have eczema, I have dermatitis, have a severe nut allergy, and if you are someone who suffers from any type of allergies like that, when you break out in hives, your skin is just itchy and inflamed, and it is not nice. And I'm going to be using the Bobbi Brown vitamin enriched face base. If you have hives, you will know that your skin is just so itchy and horrible. And one thing I do love about the oil is that when I do break out in hives, during this pandemic, I've tried to be very careful with what I eat because I don't want to end up in hospital. I put it on the face, less for trying to improve my skin, less for trying to, you know, get flawless skin again. It's more so to soothe my skin, and I tell you, it just does that job of making my face feel less itchy. Next, I'm going to be using the YSL Blur Primer, because I am not even going to butcher that name. I just like this to put like here to help blur out any pores that I have. The fact that this primer has like little gold specks in it as well. I'm going to be using the brand new NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation, and I have this in the colour Macao. Yeah, the last year has just been a complete mess, really and truly. And you know, losing your job in the height of the pandemic, and I actually work in media, and yeah, losing your job in the height of the pandemic was just not fun. I really like this foundation. This foundation is very nice. My under eyes, I'm going to be using the Born This Way Multi Sculpt in Chestnut. So yeah, that is how it came about, needing to feel like, you know, having something luxurious. And my partner as well, he has been talking for a long time. He's doing a beard oil company. I'll leave his stuff down below as well. Well, it's not even beard oil, he's doing a beard grooming because it's bigger than just beard oil, and I'm super proud of him, you know, to kind of see him develop his brand and everything like that. So I'll leave, ladies, if you've got a man that, you know, you want to be stroking that beard, I'm gonna leave the details for his brand below. Would he have launched by the time this video is out? It doesn't really matter if he's launched or not, but follow him on Instagram, all that kind of jazz. And then next I am going, so I want it to be a little brighter, that's kind of just gonna neutralize. And I do not, actually I'm gonna put a little bit of this on top of my lip. This is the chestnut. Next I'm gonna go in with butterscotch. Now this time I blended out the chestnut straight away, but I'm just gonna put a little bit of this here because I just want to brighten up my under eyes just a little bit. I'm gonna put a little bit of this here, a little bit of this here, and I am gonna kind of leave that to sit. It's NYX matte bronzer in, what shade is this? This is in deep tan. As you can see, I've been loving this, so I'm gonna use this on my cheeks just to bronze them up a bit. But like I said, I'm really not looking to contour like that. I'm going to blend this out. But you know what, another thing that's actually come out of this pandemic that was actually pretty good was the fact that, well, it's not pretty good, but I've gone natural now. So obviously you guys will not be able to tell because I have a nice little curly moment going on at the top. I haven't actually gone natural because I wanted to. Like, I kind of believe that it's your hair, do what you want. If you want to be natural, be natural. If you want to be relaxed, be relaxed. If you want to cut your hair off, cut your hair off. If you want to go bald, it is just hair, it will grow back. People put so much emphasis on, oh my god, you're natural, oh my god, you're relaxed, oh my god, it's my hair, it's growing out of my scalp and I'm gonna do what I want with my hair. So next I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter. Now this is new, I actually haven't used this before, so we will see if I like this. I usually just use the Laura Mercier translucent powder, but I kind of want to do something different. The other day I just was looking at my makeup and I just got fed up and I just threw so much of it away, so now I feel like I have no makeup. So I'm just gonna put that in. Ooh. And actually I didn't even do it how I like to do it. I like to put it there and then take some of the excess off and put it on the back of my hand. Yeah, I just didn't want to look at the same makeup anymore and I just threw so much makeup away. I just was beyond fed up of looking at it. Now I just feel like out of the old and in with the new. I do not bake, so I'll be taking my NARS powder in the shade Heat, and I mean I take the smallest amount of powder, like the smallest amount, put my brush in here and we're just gonna brush this away. Because it was a mattifying foundation, I can already feel that it feels a little bit more on the drier side under my eyes right now, so I definitely don't want to bake. You just want to put it in there, you just want to set, and you just want to go about your business. Onto the eyes. I think this is going to be a fairly affordable look because I'm using a few NYX products. So I'm going to be using this palette by NYX, and I'm going to be using this. We really just want to blow it out, like we really want this to be really soft. Oh, I have not primed my eyes. So first I'm going to put some concealer and prime my eyes, and then I'm going to go in with that burnt orange colour. Oh, but sometimes we just need to start fresh. We need to see new things, we need to do new things. And I think that's maybe the journey that I've been on, is to do new things, to kind of forget about the old and say in with the new. And I will tell you as well, this NYX palette is really pigmented. I'm gonna go in with this kind of, actually no, I'm gonna go in with this kind of shade over here, and we're just gonna go underneath where we went before. So my camera just died. And I did not realize, so on the lid I've used the Dose of Colours Desi and Katie palette, and I've used this kind of champagne gold shimmery on the lid, and I'm then going to use this color in their palette, and I'm just gonna blend and blow everything out so it's not overly shimmery. In the final step, you just need to take a really small brush and a dark brown. I think I'm gonna go back into this palette, and I'm just gonna take this kind of dark charcoaly brown, and we're just gonna kind of use it as eyeliner and then go into the crease. We're just gonna kind of use it here as eyeliner. And it was really nice to use eyeshadow as eyeliner versus using actual eyeliner. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that same brush I was using before and just blur out where you put it into the crease. Again, you just kind of want to blur that out. Clean up the eye. I'm going to take my Laura Mercier, and I'm just going to take the smallest amount of Laura Mercier powder, and I'm just going to use it to sharpen the eye. So just like that, we're just going to use that. I mean, you don't need to keep it on there for long, and just brush that off, and then you've got like a nice sharp line. Now I still think I prefer to do my makeup, my eyeshadow first. I don't know why, but I just think I do. So now that my brows are done, I've just filled them in, and I put a little bit of concealer underneath. Already gone in with my NYX bronzer, which is pretty much more, you know, subtle to the skin tone. But to add a little bit more bronziness, I'm going to be using the Fenty Mocha Mummy. I mean, a little bit goes a long way with Mocha Mummy. I'm going to be taking the smallest amount, and I'm just trying to enhance that contour just that little bit more, and that has already done the job. I'm then going to use blush, and I'm going to be using MAC's Peach Twist. I mean, I love this. It's a classic, especially for springtime. Just going to put a little bit of that on my cheeks. A little bit on my cheeks here. Put a little bit on my nose, just to kind of give that, ooh, okay. I completely forgot to do my bottom lash line. Just this brush here, and I'm going to be using that first shade that we used, mixed in with a little bit of this brown, to do my bottom lash line. And I am going to, next to lashes, I'm going to be using these by Allure. So I have put on my lashes, and now it's just time really just to do my lips. So I'm going to be lining my lips with the almighty classic MAC Chestnut. I just realised I've been having green juice. I hope that during this video there is no green stuff in my teeth, because that just would not be cute. So, and I'm going to be using the Revlon Ultra Matte lip colour. I realised I used so many matte products today. What colour is this? What colour is this? Seduction. Oh, this colour is so nice. So I'm just going to be using this on my lips. Just cut that out a bit. I just want to make sure that the, oh, your cupid's bow, the top of my lip is quite pronounced. I just want it more pronounced than it is, so I'm just going to re-go over it with my liner. That's perfect. Then going to go over it with this pink shade, which is from MAC, but I will have to try and figure out what colour this is. This is a really nice pink, and it goes on top of this lip combination. It's just so nice. It's so pretty. It's so girly. And you know what? I always do like a very nude neutral lip, so this is something that's kind of nice. It's still nude, but it's pink. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I absolutely love it with the curly bun. Absolutely love this look, and I must say, I really am liking this NARS Soft Matte foundation. This wasn't a review, but I'm thoroughly enjoying this, and I like the fact as well that this comes in a kind of plastic. It comes in a plastic container, well, you know what I mean, versus a lot of the NARS ones that comes in glass. Like, I use a lot of NARS products actually. But yeah, I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I feel like it's fairly affordable. I used a mixture of higher end to affordable products. So yeah, so if you did enjoy this video, please make sure to subscribe. But until next time, bye guys.